In this video, we are looking at the following points. Click on subscription button and bell icon to receive daily updates. Follow us on social media account, link in description below. Let's talk about the history of college. Indian Institute of Technology and the National Institute of Technology are the most reputed institute in all over India. The NIT along with IITs receive comparatively higher grant than other engineering colleges in India. National Institute of Technology was established in year 1960 as a Vishwasariya Regional Engineering College, Nagpur. In 2007, NIT Nagpur was recognized as an institute of national importance under NIT Act. In NIRF 2020 table, National Institute of Technology Nagpur is ranked 27. Let's talk about the campus and its infrastructure. NIT Nagpur is spread over 225 acres. The NIT Nagpur campus is located in Nagpur city, about 7 km from Nagpur railway station and 8 km from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport. The entire campus consists of administrative and academic building, workshop, library, residential accommodation for students and staff. The institute provides 7 boys hostels and 4 girls hostels. Each hostel has indoor and outdoor game facilities. Let's talk about the student intake and strength. Last year, NIT Nagpur UG program intake was 922 and total UG student strength of college was 3150. Among them, 2288 are male and 862 are female students respectively. Let's talk about the placement of college. IIT and NIT are the biggest name in engineering education in India. Placement in NIT are quite decent. Out of 678 UG students who participate in placement, 437 were placed with a median salary of 6 lakh. And 178 students selected for higher studies from NIT Nagpur. Let's talk about the admission procedure. Admission to undergraduate course in NIT Nagpur is take place through National Level Engineering Entrance Examination, commonly called as JEE Mains. The selection is very tough. Only 5% of applicants are able to secure admission. Prior to JEE Mains, admission to NIT Nagpur was through All India Engineering Entrance Examination, commonly called as AIEEE. Admission to postgraduate program MTech in NIT Nagpur is take place through Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, commonly called as GATE. Let's talk about the sports and events. NIT Nagpur has indoor game facilities such as table tennis, chess, carom, badminton, and meditation hall. The outdoor facilities include football ground, track and field ground, cricket ground, basketball ground, and volleyball court. Let's talk about the events and clubs, societies and clubs. NIT Nagpur has lots of societies and clubs. Excel, a science and technical festival. RO is a musical and cultural festival. Other than the technical and cultural fairs, regular workshop and seminar also conducted in NIT Nagpur. Utilize amount. National Institute of Technology Nagpur utilized an amount of about 2 crore 53 lakhs on library, books, general e-resources only. About 13 crore 1 lakh utilized on new equipment and software for laboratories. About 1 crore 21 lakhs utilized on engineering workshop. And about 11 crore 92 lakhs utilized on other expenditure on creation of capital assets. Let's talk about the PhD student. At At NIT Nagpur, there are 412 full-time and 31 part-time students pursuing doctorate program till 2017 and 18. And in last year, 18 full-time and 20 part-time scholar graduate with doctorate from NIT Nagpur. Let's talk about the research and consultancy funding. In 2018 and 19, the institute has received about 19 crore 53 lakhs as a sponsor research funding with total 43 funding agencies. And NIT Nagpur also received about 20 crore 83 lakhs as a consultancy project funding with total number of client organization of 557. Let's talk about the patent awards. In 2018, the number of patents published was 22 and the number of patents granted was 0. 24 award received by the faculty member of NIT Nagpur in previous year 2018 and 19. Similarly, if we talk about the student, then 21 student of NIT Nagpur has won national and won international awards in previous academic 2018 and 19.